Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make soft prawns. The secret to tender prawns is avoiding overcooking. They cook very quickly, often in just a few minutes. Watch for them to turn opaque and pink, then remove them immediately from the heat. This simple step ensures a delicious, soft texture every single time. Before cooking, proper preparation is key. If using frozen prawns, ensure they are fully thawed. Pat them thoroughly dry with paper towels. This helps them sear nicely and prevent steaming. You might also want to devine them for a cleaner eating experience, though this is often optional for smaller prawns. Several methods work well for cooking prawns, but speed is crucial. Sautéing in a hot pan with a little oil or butter usually takes 2 to 3 minutes total. If grilling, cook them for 1 to 2 minutes per side. For boiling, drop them into simmering water for just 1 to 2 minutes until they curl and change color. To elevate your soft prawns, consider marinating them for 15 to 30 minutes before cooking. Simple flavors like garlic, lemon juice, and fresh herbs work wonderfully. Once cooked, serve your tender prawns immediately. They are best enjoyed fresh off the heat, ensuring that perfect soft bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.